my channel. It's me Shreya, and in today's video I wanted to share some of my most favorite hairstyles since I went this short, and I've been loving short hair a lot and they're a lot easy to handle as well. So I'm going to share some of my most favorite hairstyles. Some are very basic, some are not so basic. So without wasting any further time, let's just begin. So these are my natural hair. By natural I mean I haven't done anything on them. They are like this, a little wavy and a little frizzy. So for first hairstyle, all you need is two rubber bands, and then you need to take the front section of your hair just like this and tie the rubber band really close to the scalp, just like I'm doing here. This is how it looks. And now what you need to do is you need to make your rubber band a little loose, and then you need to make some space in your hair just above the rubber band, as you can see, and then you can pass the little ponytail that we made through the rubber band. And it gives a very beautiful detailing to your hair, and it kind of looks like a very 90s inspired hairstyle to me. Repeat the same on the other side. And I also like to put back the ponytail that we made behind my ear for like a really clean look. And this is how the entire hairstyle looks like. It's really cute. The next hairstyle that we have is a half hair updo, and it's a super messy bun which is like so famous right now. All you need is to take a front section of your hair from the crown part and pin it with a pin on top of your head, just like this. Now repeat the exact same thing with the other side as well. Now since we have front part of your hair just like we need them, I remove the pin and now I'm going to tie it with a rubber band. You can take any rubber band, any color, because it will not be visible, but try to go for a black one preferably. Now cover the rubber band by rolling the ponytail all around it, just like this, and you just need to set it with some pins. I personally like to keep it super messy because it just adds more to the look. And with that we are done with our hairstyle number 2. Coming to our hairstyle number 3, this one is great for people who don't like hair coming onto their face all the time. Now all you need to do is to take a front section of your hair, divide it into 3 parts and make a normal braid. And secure it with a rubber band of your choice to keep it in place. Now repeat the same on the other side. Now we have two options. The first one is to take this braid and go back and pin it there, just like this. Coming back to our second option, what you can do is to take hair beneath the braid and make it into another braid, just like the same that we did earlier. I like to do this a lot because it gives a lot more drama to a simple hairstyle. Now you can take both the braids one beneath the other, and then you can pin it at the back of your head. And it gives a lot of Narnia kind of vibes, which I am totally loving. Our next hairstyle is one of my favorite out of all of these hairstyles, and it is super cute space buns. All you need to do is to take front section of your hair just like I am doing here and make a ponytail out of it. I gotta say, it looks really cute even halfway as well. I'm totally going to wear this someday out. But now we're going to complete the hairstyle and we're doing the same onto the other side as well. It is done, as you can see. Now do a little roll action with your ponytail and cover it over the rubber band and pin it with some pins. Repeat the same onto the other side. Make it as messy as you want or make it super clean, and you are done with this super cute hairstyle. For the next hairstyle, we have a super cute low bun, and I know how hard it is to make a low bun out of really small hair, but we are making a ponytail, and then we are going to make a space just above the rubber band, and then we are going to pass the ponytail through that space and then set the rest of the hair with some pins for a beautiful messy low bun. For our next hairstyle, we are going to make so many twisted braids. Begin by taking little portions of your hair in the front and begin twisting and then pinning it at the back of your head. Make as many braids as you like or as many braids as you can, because it's only gonna look so beautiful in the end, that I can totally guarantee you. I'm going to make 5, and this hairstyle is a total savior if you are running low on time and you really want to look good. So that was it with today's video. I hope you liked all of the hairstyles, and do let me know which one is your favorite. You can also do almost all of them for medium or even long hair as well. So I hope you found this video helpful, and do give this video a big thumbs up, and do not forget to leave a comment below. And yeah, I hope everybody is doing good, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.